I'm Andrew Reakes, Software-Defined Storage Sales Leader at IBM. Over this short video, I'm going to take you through IBM's strategy, the value that we place around data, and ultimately how we're addressing the storage of this data with our software-defined storage portfolio. IBM is a cognitive solutions and hybrid cloud company. Data is the constant, and building solid yet dynamic foundations is the key if clients want to leverage the full value of their data. Analysts are predicting that by 2020, 50% of the global 2,000 companies will see the majority of their business depend on their ability to create digitally enhanced products, services and experiences. One industry we're seeing a large amount of transformation is healthcare. Healthcare organisations have traditionally collected data about their clients through prescription records, through aged care facilities and through local GP clinics. The University of New South Wales is using an array of personal devices to find new ways of diagnosing and treating disease. They're using smartphones, Fitbits to characterise the gaits of patients after surgery, and then machine learning methods to try and detect changes that could indicate problems with hip or knee replacements. Fundamentally, data is the resource that our clients are becoming more and more reliant on. Because of this digitalisation, the vast majority of data was only created in the last 2 years. What's really interesting about this though, is only 20% of the world's data is searchable. 80% sits behind the company firewall, whether that be customer details, pricing, shopping patterns, inventory, etc. The clients that succeed in the market will be the ones that can best utilise their data to differentiate themselves from their competitors. The more this data is used, the greater its value becomes. Data has become the driving force behind successful businesses, making demands throughout the entire IT infrastructure. We're seeing industry consolidation with cloud, industry disruption with flash, and software-defined has become the prominent technology in our clients' data centres as they look to continue to keep the lights on while navigating to the future. IBM is addressing this with our software-defined storage portfolio. The SDS approach focuses on aligning the ever-changing needs of the business to the IT department, allowing IT to become the enabler as opposed to the restrictor. IBM's software-defined storage delivers a host of powerful capabilities that enables an enterprise to easily exploit the full value of its data, while simultaneously reducing the cost of its management to achieve optimal data economics throughout its life cycle. A great example of this is a client I'm currently engaged with. Their storage utilisation is 30%, and they have 12 different backup vendors in their environment. The last thing that they need is a vendor selling them more capacity. What they need is a vendor that understands their organisation, understands their business, a vendor that helps them consolidate down their backup, drive up their utilisation and the asset they've already invested in, allowing them to spend more time, more resource, more money on transformational projects. Data is the asset, cognitive is the goal, hybrid cloud is the platform, software-defined storage is the architecture, and storage is the foundation. IBM Spectrum Storage Suite allows clients to focus on the now while navigating to the future, allowing clients to drive better utilisation from their storage estate, freeing up budget to spend and resource to deliver platforms that support the company's wider objectives. IBM Spectrum Storage Suite is a single software license that entitles you to any combination of our capabilities. Essentially, IBM can help you to store more data for less, for longer, more securely, both on and off-premise, while supporting your migration to cloud. IBM has a wide breadth of capabilities. We're number one in analytics, number one in security, and number one in the software-defined storage market. When I work with clients, IBM's real value add is our ability to understand a client and their business and ultimately propose solutions that support the organisation's transformation.